Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can set a data limit for mobile hotspot on a Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy A25. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can open the connection setting. Okay, and you can select mobile hotspot and tethering. Then you need to click on mobile hotspot right here. Okay, and if you want to set a data limit for your mobile data, I mean mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can click on this option. And then you just need to click on set data limit. And for example, I'm going to add 2000 megabyte, and we can click on OK once we're done. Okay, and now the data limit has been activated. Alright guys, and that's how we can set data limit for mobile hotspot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.